Hello guys, I'm Ajaz and today I bought this Bomaker. So I bought it because if you see here, it's a LG Full HD IPS LCD, 80% in DSC. So it's have something good branded. LG and Samsung are the top one in the world nowadays. And I already have a Sony, which I bought up to $1,100. But look, it's my kitchen, don't mind dishes and stuff. I just brought it. I didn't settle it in my theater room. Windows are 3 open. It's outside cloudy, but still, watch the picture. Shiny crystal like 4K. So the deal is, I'm thinking why I spent $1,100 on a Sony. I have an Epson, I have a Dell, and I have a Chinese one. So I think I'm gonna stuck with this one. Watch the result. Light is on and it's on economy mode. It's 50% contrast and 50% brightness. It's just a wall. It's not the anti-light or ALR or silver screen. It's just a wall, and the wall is not even white. It's kind of cream color or beige color. And if you see from near, you will not feel any pixels. You will not notice anything. Look, no lines, nothing. And the picture is about 100-inch. So if I have a better screen and a better environment, like the lighting is right in the opposite side of the wall, so the light is hitting this wall, so this gonna give me more better result. So there's a Bomaker. You can get it from Amazon with deal like under I think under $200. I'm really happy to have this. They have a LED lamp bulb, which is giving you like 50,000 hours. And my Sony, my Epson, my Dell. And these Optima, they hardly have these DLP system lamps, which is giving you 4,000 hour in high contrast or dynamic. And if you keep it on economy mode, lower, then it's hardly giving you like 5,000 hour, which is nothing. And when it's burned, it's cost a lot. If you're buying a genuine one, it can be up to $100. If you're buying like a refurbished or something eBay kind, maybe from $40 to $60. So this is like you can use in your living room with open windows, but it's just a wall. If you have a better screen like nowadays available in the market, the anti-light one, then you're gonna get like awesome result. And if you using it portable at backyard or while traveling, you don't need any speaker, any sound system. They have very good sound system. So I was just I never make a review, but this thing I admire, I appreciate, and it's great. And it's enough, like good size and very fine material, very nice. And you cannot hear the fan noise too. And the packing was very awesome. It's come with a nice remote. Let's video on this one. So it's a good deal. Thank you guys. If you are a fan of projectors, then don't spend a lot of money on these Epson and Optima and Focus. Sony have good colors too, but they are too much expensive. This is nothing, and you get something out of it. I'm satisfied. You will be happy with that. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.